experiencing Returnal rest mode freeze and crash issues after the latest update. You're not alone, and we're diving straight into the solutions right now to get you back into Atropos without interruption. First up, a quick system cache clear often resolves these glitches. Power down your console or PC completely, unplug it for a full minute, then reconnect and restart. This flushes out any corrupt temporary data causing the instability. If that doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems deeper in game file integrity, which brings us to method 2. Head into your game launcher, find Returnal, and use the Verify Game Files option. This ensures all game data is intact and uncorrupted. Still facing freezes? Method 3 involves adjusting your power settings. Go into your system's power or rest mode options and temporarily disable features like stay connected to the internet or supply power to USB ports during rest mode. Sometimes these background processes interfere with game states. Finally, if the problem persists, ensure your graphics drivers are fully updated, and as a last resort, a clean reinstall of Returnal after backing up your saves can eliminate persistent software conflicts. Don't let a crash ruin your run. These steps will stabilize your Returnal experience.